My name is Jerry Ellingson, and I live with my wife over at Lake Preston, and lived there all my life. And for a living, I am involved in a crop insurance company where I'm a supervisor now over other adjusters and claims and everything else that comes up with it. So, the day of the accident, I had the four-wheeler, and I wasn't messing around, but I wasn't paying attention either. And I was over along the lake bank, just looking around as I do when I have some free time. This was about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, by the way. And I ended up going up too steep of a slope, and the four-wheeler came up right over backwards, right on top of me. Ended up with 3 broken ribs, and my lung was leaking and collapsing, and they needed to put in a chest tube through the side here to relieve the pressure and drain the fluid off between my lung lining and my chest lining, the way I understood, the way the doctor described it to me. So the care was excellent. I can't get over just how caring and just how excellent they were all the way around. There was not, they kept checking on me and through the night, and with that chest tube in, there was a suction on that to keep sucking the fluid out, and they checked on that all night long, and the care was excellent. There isn't one solid thing that I could say that even comes to mind that wasn't any worse but perfect. Pain management was very good. They had pain pills for me, because that did hurt to start with that chest tube in. And they had to reposition it once because it wasn't just in the right place for the right drainage. But the pain management they give me and the sleeping pills they give me was very good. The recovery phase was I had to stay in until the drainage was down to a certain level. And that took 2.5 days. I went home on the 3rd day. And recovery was good. It was I was able to go home and sleep in my bed, and they sent some pain pills, pain medication home with me, and also some sleeping pills. So recovery was very good. The level of care was excellent, and yes, it did surprise me. I have to admit that it did surprise me, because we are so ingrained with you've got to go to the biggest, and the biggest is perceived to be the best. And in so many situations, as my situation was, it didn't have to be the biggest to be the best, but it was the best. I just was so doggone pleased with the whole thing that it just I honestly, it's hard to get over being excited about it.